Hi, it's the Time 1/Bishie, and today I'm going to be reviewing Nature's Miracle Hooded Cat Litter Box. Now, I mentioned this briefly on my last vlog, but yeah, my roommate and I picked this up at the local pet store. I was looking for a new, my cats just walked by. Looking for a new litter box for my cats, specifically one that is strong and can withstand scratching, because I have a cat that likes to dig. And well, I have a couple cats that like to dig, but I have one in particular, my boy cat. He will dig to the bottom of the litter box and then he'll keep digging, and it's a mess. I don't know if there's actually any litter boxes that will withstand that, because he is strong, but I mean, we'll see. So this one is the white is the hood, and it's got two boxes. So what, like I mentioned before, you fill one and then you have a spare underneath, and then when this one is ready to be taken out, cleaned, emptied, all that, you remove this top one and set it aside. Then you put the bottom one, you have the bottom one ready to go. You filled the bottom one with litter, and then go about and do whatever you're going to do with this one. That way it always leaves a litter box for your cats to go, and they're not struggling, oh no, what are we gonna, when are we gonna go to the litter box and then have accidents or anything like that. This prevents that. And then when you're done with this, you just make this the bottom, and then just keep doing it, over and over and over again. So let's see, it says charcoal filter absorbs tough litter odors for up to 3 months. I'm not going to be leaving this for 3 months. Enclosed to control litter scatter and leaks from spraying. Yeah, they also like to, my girl cat likes to play in the litter box, and she'll just kick up litter all over the place. Safe space, corner design provides more usable space. We'll see, I have a small bathroom. Easy to use snap latches for cleaning. Extra large size is ideal for multiple cat households. So basically it's just one litter box for both my cats. We'll see how that goes. And then, see, this is the bottom side. And then let's see what these instructions say. With the odor control charcoal filter, that's probably what this says right here. Odor blocking, look at that cat. Guards against odors caused by bacteria, prevents odors from being absorbed into plastic. On pure antimicrobial product protection. Inhibits odors caused by bacteria on the litter, mold, and mildew resistance. Non-stick surface eliminates cat litter caking or odor buildup, makes cleanup easy. Okay, well, we'll see if this holds up to what it says. It's pretty good size. Here, let me, it's a pretty good size, and then you just stick it in the corner of your bathroom. Now, currently, I'm using 2 litter boxes. So I got one litter box that is against the wall here and then sticking out this way. And I have another box that is, the back of it is against the litter box sticking this way, and it comes out this way. So it's like an L shape right now. But yeah, I'm very interested to see how this litter box holds up. It was more than I usually pay for litter boxes, but we'll see. Nature's Miracle is I like Nature's Miracle. One of my friends turned me on to their Nature Miracle. It's a spray for like odors and stain elimination and all that. She has a bird along with cats and dogs. She says it works really awesome, and I've seen it work. So I actually picked up also a Nature Miracle stain and odor fighter spray, but for cats. So yeah, I'm gonna. Also, this is gonna have a lot of litter in it, so that'll be interesting to see how that goes. I'm not gonna show you the other litter boxes because I mean, yeah, gross. They've got used litter in it, and I'm just gonna toss those away. But I am going to, once I toss this away, I am going to fill this and then show you this filled with clean litter, and then the hood on top of that and everything. So let's get to that shot. So here it is in the bathroom. It is a bit bigger than the previous litter boxes, because before the previous litter boxes only came up to like right here, and then right here, I think it is. Please excuse the stains. Those are tobacco stains. If you know anyone that smokes, if they smoke for a very long period of time, like over years, the tobacco just seeps into the wall, and then it is a pain in the butt to get out because it will keep coming back out of the walls. Like you'll clean it, you'll scrub it real good, and then as time goes on, it will come back through the walls. And rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. This is why a lot of like now hotels and other places, and even apartments when you rent, say please don't smoke inside because they don't want to have to deal with this. Even if you throw a coat of paint on it, I've read, the tobacco will still seep out over time. So yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to show you this, and let's fill it with litter. So this is their litter. I don't know how much to put in here. The whole thing? We'll find out. Guess I'm putting the whole thing. So yeah, this is their litter. Okay, now time to put the lid on. Probably a good idea to take the covering off of this. Okay. Got the plastic, put it back. And then I think cool. Slides back in place. There we go. It's supposed to lock in place. Give me a second. So this is what it looks like. So what I needed my roommate's help with is a course, all my hair is going all over the place. So the bottom one needs to be lifted up so that we can lock the first one in place. And then it's put on the bottom one. That way this doesn't move. Well, in theory it don't move. My boy cat is a bit rambunctious, so he might try and knock it off. But yeah, it's like a little
It's a poo fortress.
It is like a poo fortress. Okay, so this is what it's like, and let's see how good this is. All right, so final thoughts. I kept forgetting that I was gonna not do a whole new video. I'm just adding on. This is weeks later from when I recorded the other stuff with, the litter box, filling it and all that. So this is weeks later. Giving my final thoughts. So today, this is, what's today? Friday, April 22nd. And I cleaned the litter box. So, of course, there's a, what is it? It's, when those first two boxes were one inside each other, it took a bit of strength for me to pull them up, pull them up out of each other, especially with the lid being on one of them. And then, oh my God, the latches were on like real good, real securely. So it took a bit of strength to pop the latches so I could take the lid off of the litter box, so I can take the used litter box out to dump that litter, clean it out, and then let it dry. Clean it out, disinfect it, and let it dry. And it's nice having one litter box, but it took a bit more out of me doing this litter box than it would the other two previously, just because it's bigger. Of course, there's going to be more weight. It's kind of bulkier. I kind of had to figure out how to maneuver it through doorways because of how wide it was and how kind of awkward it was. When it was full of litter, but once that was all taken care of, once it was dumped, cleaned out, and it was drying, because I dried outside in the backyard, it was nice. Because then I came in and I filled the second box, latched it up. Of course, those latches, hopefully, the more I do them, the easier the latches will be to do, but oh my gosh. And I was worried once the litter box outside had dried that it would be an ordeal. I thought I would need help lifting up the second litter box that now had litter in it to put it in the freshly cleaned litter box. So I didn't fill it as much as when you initially saw it. So I think that kind of helped too. And then in time I can just add more litter before I have to clean out again. And then my other gripe, which of course my roommate said, it's kind of hard to avoid. My cats are diggers, especially my boy cat. And they will scratch the bottom part of the litter box. They will dig all the way down and then keep digging. That's just how they are. And we've even caught my girl cat playing in the box because she likes the whole digging. Of course, they're both indoor cats, so it's not like they have dirt to dig in or anything. But of course, like my roommate said, that you can't get around that. It's going to happen. The bottom of the box is going to get scratched, regardless, even if they're not diggers. Just for the simple fact that they're kicking up all this litter to cover their mess. But yeah, overall, even if it is more work, I do enjoy this litter box quite a bit. I was skeptical at first because I'm used to a litter box per cat, and this is one litter box for 2 cats to share. But yeah, so far it's been real good. I like it, and if I have to buy another litter box, I'm gonna buy this again. So yeah, so that's my review of this litter box. I know it's not like my usual type of video, but hey, when you have cats, actually I've done a cat type video before when Chewy sent me that birthday box last year for my cat, and then I opened that up and showed all that. So yeah, so sometimes pet unboxings and pet review stuff will happen on this channel. But yeah, so I found a litter box I like. That's pretty cool. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. So that's gonna be all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.